You look around the world and there are so many issues. Global warming, racial profiling, gun violence, child abuse, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. And if you're anything like me, you probably spend a fair amount of your time wondering, what can I possibly do in order to make a difference in this world? The task does sometimes seem enormous, doesn't it? I mean, the challenges seem so daunting. There are so many people who need help that attempting to make a difference can seem almost as futile as trying to save thousands of starfish on a crowded beach. And you're probably looking at the situation and wondering, what can I do, little old me? The truth is, you don't have to be endowed with fame or fortune in order to make a difference in this world. In fact, you don't even have to save the entire world. You can start in your community, even on the street on which you live. I believe that if we all make a contribution to a cause that's near and dear to us, and what's important here is not the size of the contribution. The most important thing is to make the effort. So if we make this effort, if we make this contribution, eventually we will get to what Malcolm Gladwell calls the tipping point, and all of our small contributions will combine to make a huge difference. So where do you start? Well, remember that you already have everything that you need inside of you right now. So start looking at what comes naturally to you. Is it speaking, writing? Is it organizing, leading, encouraging? Whatever it is, start using those talents to create change and eventually make a difference in your little part of the world. I am Devon Harris, and as always, keep on pushing.